Hello everyone, my name is Tim Owens and I will be doing my culture presentation over my own company of Oklahoma Natural Gas. Our core and dominant values, all of our core values are listed: safety, ethics, inclusion and diversity, service and value. I would say our top two are going to be safety and ethics, because inclusion and diversity go with ethics. We have a great safety culture here. We do not have a lot of accidents. We do take responsibility for all of our accidents that do occur. Inclusion and diversity and ethics go together. I reported something unethical with a contractor 3 days ago, and I had somebody in my office today to actually start the investigation about it, so we do take that very seriously. Behavioral norms. We have a laid-back atmosphere. We like to have fun. We like to joke around. New people that come in or an outsider is going to realize that we all just kind of get along. We do a very good job of, more of a brother and sister type of outlook. No one is ever left out. If we decide to go to lunch, we'll call up everyone and say, "Hey, do you want to go meet up for lunch?" Whenever new employees come into the office, they are informally given a walkthrough. Anybody that's at the office at the time will get to meet them, ask them some questions, shake their hand. We like to get to know them a little bit. They are formally introduced in the safety meetings the following month or that month, depending on when it is. They'll call them up to the front, introduce them, tell them where they came from, how they started with the company, what department they're going to be working in. They are listed on our One Gas Hub as a new employee, so that everyone in our company, all 3 states of Oklahoma, Texas, and Kansas, can give them a welcome to the company, welcome to the family. Positive and negative influences. We don't have a lot of negative. Like I said before, the easygoing atmosphere is a very positive influence on the individuals in our company. We are more laid back. We like to have fun. The brother-sister feel. Everybody has each other's back. If you need a hand, whether that's after work, during work, if you needed help cleaning up after maybe a natural disaster, our company's got your back. We'll send people out to help you. The only negative influence I've seen is you must have thick skin. I mean, everybody likes to joke around, whether it be about OU, OSU football, just whatever. Everybody kind of pokes fun at each other, gives everybody have a good time. Of course, we also know whenever enough's enough, and we can tell that somebody's not really having fun with it, and they feel like they're being attacked, and of course we end that. But just like with any job, you're going to have people who like to joke around. The culture and the influence of the organization, the employees, we affect the bottom line. We don't do our jobs timely and safely, then it's going to affect everything. Whenever you have a happy employee that wants to do their job, it's going to reflect in our prices of our stock. People want to invest in good companies. We don't have a lot of accidents, so the accidents in the workplace are down. And when people see how we are here at the company, they want to come work here. They want to come work for Oklahoma Natural Gas because they see that the employees are happy. And we do get a lot of people that apply because of that. The references I use for this slideshow were basically our One Gas employee Ethernet hub, and this is just personal experience. I've been working with the company for so many years. Thank you.